Looking for a statement light fixture that's modern, elegant, and bright enough to transform your space? We upgraded our dining and living room with the Vertex collection One Light brushed gold pendant light, and it instantly elevated the whole vibe of the space. Here's the light already installed. Notice the brushed gold finish that adds a touch of luxury. The sturdy chain detail makes it look elegant yet durable. And the etched white glass shade diffuses the light softly, creating a glow that's both bright and warm. The chain is clean and modern. From the bottom view, you can see the sleek design of the lamp itself. Rotating around for a full 360 view, every angle feels polished and contemporary. And once I zoom out, you can see both fixtures lit up. They brighten the dining and living room beautifully, making the space cozy yet sophisticated. Stylish, modern, and functional, these lights completely transform our dining and living room. Definitely check them out on the product page for more details. Bye!